Hi, I'm Savannah from How To Project, and I'm going to be showing you your initial login for Teamwork, starting with getting your email right here. So I'm going to head on over, and it's just a little welcome email, and it's going to send me over to log in. When you log in for the first time, you're probably going to also have to set up your first name, last name, and your chat handle. Your chat handle is just kind of like your username, and I'll have a little screenshot of what it's actually like right here. As well as your password. Because I already have that set up, we'll just head on over. And I want it to remember me because I will be using this a lot. This is my kind of first experience in Teamwork. I don't have much experience with it. I know what I should be able to do, but not quite how to get there. So that's why I'm here. I'm going to be filming my journey. So once you have all that initially set up, you're probably going to see this screen right here. We're gonna head on into Teamwork. And home should initially look like this right here. I was just under my activities bar right there. And right now I want to go and make sure all of my details are set up properly. So I want to put up a little picture of myself, along with making sure my details are all correct. This is also where you can go in and change your work hours, which I've already done here. And I have my job title right here, and I'm going to change it to, we'll keep it as freelancer for now. I don't have an office number, so I don't have an office number, nor do I have a cell phone number that I need for this account, but currently I will just keep my job title like this. If you wanted to add anything like that and you have it for your company, that would be something that you can add. As well as you want to add your extra email right here. Again, I don't have one, I just have my How To Project email, so I'll keep that blank. You're also going to want to add your address here. I don't have one, obviously. Well, I have an address, but I don't have one for my business, so I will not be putting it in. Social media, you also want to set up your social. For now, I just have the How To Projects Facebook and our website, and I'm also going to head over to preferences, and this is where you're going to make sure all your notifications are coming through. So I want to make sure I get desktop apps and emails for any kind of tasks that are going on, as well as I want to make sure that this tab right here is on, because that way if you do open a message and you haven't yet gone to reply to it, you don't forget about it, which is very helpful. Along with that, we want to make sure that I'm not receiving emails on weekends at all. I also want to make sure that markdown messages and comments are on down here, as it already is. I'm also going to change this to a little bit earlier in the day, because I can receive emails that early, that's fine. And this right here is to set up the mobile app and to link it all together. So I am just going into the Apple Store now. On my phone, it's also on Android and Google Play to get the Teamwork app. And it should be appearing right here. Nope. Here. It should be appearing right here. Take my face. I'll have to log in again, so this will probably have to be erased, because Successful login. We will allow notifications. And like I said, always want to update. So that should be the end of the initial setting up your Teamwork account. I hope that was helpful, and look forward to future videos. The lighting will never be perfect. Who wrote that? Hi, I'm Savannah.